So we're here in the Bondef boardroom in Midstream today, and if I can take you through this well-known Midstream plan, many of you would have seen this in prior stages of the Midstream developments, but basically Midstream started over here, and this is the old Midstream, the road coming in from the highway, and at a time 15, 20 years ago, this was basically what Midstream was. And over the years, the Midstream development has grown and grown to what it is today, from the old Midstream to Midfield Estates to Midlands to Midstream Hill, Midstream Ridge, Midstream Heights, Midstream Meadows Estate, and then Midstream Heights where we're busy today. So I'll start off first with our new boutique hotel development. This is located basically across the road from the Midstream Mediclinic. It's a 40-bedroom luxury boutique hotel type of development. It's aimed for people staying that need accommodation with people in the hospital, etc. And also for Midstream residents who need accommodation in the area. And we should be handing in building plans soon, with construction to commence sometime next year. Then another project we're working on, actually next to the hotel, is this little one here. The red building, as you can see, it's a 4-story building that connects to the existing Midstream Hill Medical Park. It's basically doctors' consulting rooms, adding on and contributing to the Mediclinic Hospital. It will use that same walkway ramp that the existing building has to gain access directly into the Mediclinic Hospital. Next to that, the big one we're currently working on, the exciting one. After many years, finally we have a Woolies and a Checkers coming to Midstream. That's the new Shopping on Eastway shopping centre that you can see. This shopping centre is located on the eastern side of Midstream. As you exit towards, call it Irene or the R21 airport roads, which everyone will know well. We'll go into further details on the building sites, but basically we've got a anchor tenant Checkers here, we've got an anchor tenant Woolworths here, with all the different line shops and so around. But I think the nice thing actually about this centre is going to be the entertainment area. And maybe on this plan people can get a bit of an idea on it, but it's basically going to consist of this area, which is the food court and call it entertainment area. You can see that there's about, I don't know, 2,000-3,000 square meters of restaurants and play area and food court area here. This play area, if I quickly look at these measurements, it looks to me like basically just a bit bigger than half a rugby field. So yeah, for all the Midstream families, we believe this will be an exceptional new add-on to Midstream. We're looking at and in discussions with restaurants like Bossa, Smoke, Doppio Zero, some of those top brands, and we think the mix they will bring to Midstream to fit in with the existing restaurants and facilities will once again just contribute to the bigger Midstream. Then going with that building, we have an exciting new office block, which is this building here, which will be located on this side of the shopping center, which will be high grade, call it premium office space, available to rent and or to let, and that will once again connect to the shopping experience that's here and give a bit of a mixed use precinct in that sense. Together with that, on the shopping center site, there's also a new filling station that's being planned, showroom facilities, and also a new tire fitment center, making this a big complete center that can service all the different needs of all the different Midstream residents. Exciting new project for the schools. This is the Midstream Ridge Primary School. A photo taken a while back, and then this plan here is of the new Astro surface, or actually multi-sport surface, that's being built at the Midstream Ridge Primary School. It will be located in this position, which is basically in this area here. So this is a new add-on and development for the Midstream Ridge Primary School. Yeah, maybe to just give some perspective is, people think, it's just call it a flat surface next to a rugby field, but a facility like this costs anything up to about 10, 11 million rand at the moment to construct. So it is once again a considerable investment into the Midstream Ridge Primary School offering. Trying to continuously improve on the facilities available to the schools and to the Midstream residents. And going with that, although it's not a new project, it's been completed already. But earlier this year, we completed the Midstream College Astro Surface, which has been in operation for the last few months. On this side, we've got the luxury apartment development Ascent to Midstream. After about 9-10 years of working on this project, Ascent to Midstream is slowly nearing completion. We're just busy finalizing the marketing plans for the new Block G, which is the block that's currently in construction, almost being completed. Completion date will be May next year, and we will start with the launch of the new units from about mid-November in a few weeks' time. So yeah, exciting and big project in Midstream that's slowly nearing completion. And then the other project we're working on is the Himalaya luxury villas or townhouse units, which will be located next to the estate office of Midstream Hill. We are in quite developed planning phases for the units, and that you can see on these plans here. It will consist of 6 double-story luxury homes or units. Sizes will vary from about 220, 230 to almost 250, 260 square meters. So from Bondef side and the development teams of Midstream, we're still here, we're committed. We are constantly developing, investing and trying to improve Midstream to the greater good for everyone involved in the estate. And from our side, it's extremely important for Bondef, the developers, the various builders, shop owners in the estate, residents, the HOAs and the GMF to keep on working together to grow those relationships and to keep on building this incredible town we call Midstream. Thank you.